Hello, Chiquininos.
Hello, Chiquininos. English time.
Yes, into the sky. Look. And with Pampito. Hello, Pampito. How are you? Fine? Let's go. Pampito takes care of nature. What does Pampito do? Enjoys nature, clean up the park, clean up the street, and clean up the beach. Look, what Pampito, how do Pampito feel? He's sad. Oh, he's sad. Why? Because the children step on the flowers, pick up the flowers and leave. Oh, it's wrong. How does Pampito feel? Happy! Yes, why? Because children enjoy and take care of nature. Look, it's enjoy. And now, how does Pampito feel? Sad. Another time sad. Oh, why? Because children are dirty. Very bad. They drop litter on the floor. Look. Oh. And now, how does Pampito feel? Happy! Why? Because children are cleaning the park. They put litter in the bin. Very good. Good job, children. And now, how does Pampito feel? Pampito is?
So,
Oh, sad. Why? Because woman is forgetting to clean up her dog poo-poo. Oh. And now, how does Pampito feel? Eh?
happy.
Very good, happy. Why? Because the woman keep the street very good. Keep the street clean. The dog poo in the bag. And then into the bin. Very good. Oh, how does Pampito feel? Isaac? Isaac?
Sad.
Yes, and the sun? The sun is sad. Oh. Why? Because children are dirty and destroy the beach. Oh. And now, how does Pampito feel, Nene?
Happy.
Yes, and the sun, Isaac?
Happy.
Very good. And the children?
Happy.
Because the children are cleaning the beach. They put litter in a bag. Okay. Very good. Say bye-bye, children
Bye-bye.
superhero. Bye-bye.
Bye, Chiquininos.
Mwah. A kiss and a hug.
Te quiero mucho, mamuita.